Cold winter was howling o'er moor and o'er mountain, and wild was the surge of the dark rolling sea. When I met about daybreak a bonny young lassie, who asked me the road and the miles to Dundee. Says I, my young lassie, I canna will tell ye the road and the distance, I canna well gie. But if you permit me to gang a wee bitty, I'll show ye the road and the miles to Dundee. At once she consented and gave me her arm, ne'er a word did I speer, or the lassie micht be. She appeared like an angel in feature and in form, as she walked by my side on the road to Dundee. At length we the howe of Strathmartin behind us, the spires o' the town in full view we could see. She said, gentle sir, I can never forget ye, for showing me far on the road to Dundee. I took the gowd pin from the scarf on my bosom, and said, keep ye this in remembrance of me. Then bravely I kissed the sweet lips o' the lassie, ere I parted wi' her on the road to Dundee. So here's to the lassie, I ne'er can forget her, and ilka young laddie that's listening to me. I'll never be swear to convey a young lassie, though it's only to show her the road to Dundee.